Hi, I'm Dr. Shubhra Goel. I'm an oculofacial plastic surgeon at Apollo Hospital, Jubilee Hills. It's summertime, and during summer we all complain of a little bit of watering, irritation and itching in our eyes. Watering in eyes is a very fascinating concept because we have a system which produces water, then we have a system which actually pumps the water to the drainage system, and then we have the drainage system. So the gland which produces water or the tears is called the lacrimal gland. Now this is the major gland in the system. We have accessory glands also, but those are not to be spoken about. The lacrimal gland is in the shape of a cloud which is present in the corner here, and it has two parts, one which goes behind the eyebrow and the one which can actually be seen through our eyelid. So it produces the tear film. Then we have our eyelids. So if I have to give you a simile, it is like a hand pump, right? So if you have seen the hand pump, the handle of it, when you push it, it kind of pushes the water out. So your eyelids are like the hand pump or the pump mechanism of the tear drainage passage. If your eyelids are not functioning properly or are weak, the tear would not be drained into the drainage passage. And the last one is the draining passage, which is in itself is a very complex structure, because it starts from two openings which are on the upper and the lower eyelid, which are called the puncta. Then we have small tubes called the canaliculi. These canaliculi actually merge together into a junction, and then it forms the common canalicular area. And from here it goes into the water bag, or what we call as lacrimal sac, which is actually present in this area. So you might have seen some people who have infections and watering issues for a very long time may have a bump here, and that happens because the sac gets infected. This sac then pushes the water into the nose and into our throat through a duct which is called the nasolacrimal duct. Now watering can happen during childhood as a child is born, or it can happen as a process of changes during the growth of an individual. So if it happens when the child is born, it's because the valve here where the duct is supposed to open into the nose does not open itself. And as we grow, there are different causes of watering. So it could be, as I make you understand, it could be either a production problem, it could be actually the blinking or the pump mechanism problem, or it could be something in the drainage system. So if you have watering, irritation, itching, don't take it very lightly. Go to the root cause of it, meet your specialist and find out why it is actually happening.